Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurvedic medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha yoga teacher. So today in this video, we are going to answer the question why this happens that we got up at night multiple times without any reason. Many people ask this question very frequently, like I was sleeping and then I got up at 2 o'clock. Some people say they get up at 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and a little bit sound happened, they got up. Like, why this happens? So let's understand what Ayurveda has to say about it. In Ayurveda, the waking up at night is mostly associated with Vata imbalance or Pitta imbalance. We all know our Vata dosh is more associated with the movement and our nervous system. And nervous system is something that governs our sleep. So whenever this Vata dosh get imbalanced or aggravated, it causes disturbance in the sleep patterns, mostly causing very light sleep and frequent waking up. What can be the reasons for Vata aggravations? Excessive anxiety is one of the most common reasons for Vata aggravation. Overthinking, mental stress, and irregular eating habits or lifestyle. These all things are responsible for Vata aggravation, or in simple words, when I say lifestyle, means eating tin can packed food, taking a lot of tea, coffee, and watching very intensive serial or discussing very intensive discussions just before sleep. These all things are responsible for Vata aggravation, which will disturb sleep. What is the solution to balance the Vata dosha? The solution is Vata balancing diet. Whether if you have Pitta body type, Vata body type, or Kapha body type, or any of the 7 body types, which includes dual body types. If sleep pattern is disturbed, you need to take Vata balancing diet. And what is Vata balancing diet? Regarding Vata balancing diet, I already have created video on my channel. So you can go through my channel and see what are the Vata balancing diets, like stopping tin can packed food, tea, coffee, and many other lifestyle things which cause aggravation of Vata dosha, that also include excessive speaking. Many times this happens, like we get up at 2 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. or 1:30 p.m. This is mostly happens during Pitta times, like when Pitta is too much aggravated, this also causes disturbed sleep. Pitta dosh is responsible for our metabolism, digestion and body temperature. Many times this happens, these people feel excess heat in the system, accompanied by waking up at 2 o'clock or 2:30, just like odd timings. So what we can do for that? First thing you can do regarding that is add a lot of fruits in your diet. If you have very high metabolism, make sure that you eat enough fruits. If you are eating excess of acidic foods, that can also cause Pitta aggravation. If you are eating excess of spicy food, that is also responsible for Pitta aggravation. So use less spices in cooking and more of alkaline food. So what is alkaline food? Regarding that also I have created a video. All the sattvic food, all the fruits comes under the category of alkaline food. Avoid excess use of spices and use meditation techniques to calm down your anger, and eat enough amount of salads. All these things are responsible for Pitta balancing. In addition to that, try some meditation techniques and more of yoga and walking, like walk for more or some physical activity. These all things are very beneficial to make your sleep deep, because these all practices are responsible for balancing your energy and channelizing your energy in a proper way. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click the join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care.